In today's video, I'm going to be tracking a crashed UFO. Some of the parts of the trip are going to be classified, but I'll show you what I can. I do have what would appear to be a cross-country ski pole to most people. However, it's a device designed for locating the skin of crashed UFOs. Another aspect is, if you're going out after UFOs, you have to have yourself an aluminum hat. Now, the reason for the aluminum hat is, if you encounter aliens, one, in the event they may be trying to put things into your brain to get you to think things, and two, they may be trying to get and take things out of your brain. That is why when you make your aluminum hat, you have to be sure that the shiny side is both on the outside, and you double fold it, and so the shiny side's also on the inside. That way it keeps them from putting things in your mind. It also makes for them to not take things out of your mind. Another thing you need when you go looking for UFO crashes is a specially trained UFO dog, and here is Tiger, and she's getting ready for the going out and looking for the crashed UFO. You can tell by the high state of alert of the UFO dog that we are getting near the crash site. You can tell by the heightened sense of awareness of the UFO dog that we are getting close to the crash site. We've now gotten to near the crash site, and you can see by the hyperactivity of the UFO dog that we are close to our target. We'll start now looking through the snow with the advanced probe. And there it is. I think we've now hit pay dirt. It looks to be the advanced material from the outer layer of the spacecraft. We will now cut a section out of it to take back to the lab. As you can see, the material has advanced technology. If you look closely at it, there is protection from psychotropic radiation on both sides of the materials. We will take this back to the lab and get it analyzed. One trick I can share with you is how to use quantum effects to ski through trees. You can see how the trail goes, and the only way to have gotten through there is by using quantum effects to get through the tree. There's a UFO dog resting after she's successfully helped find the crashed UFO. We'll now look at some of the materials that were taken from the crash scene. Looking at them closely, becomes clear that they are composite material. They're a composite material, and as you can see, they're obviously concerned about protecting themselves from being hit with psychotronic radiation, which obviously entails that they practice the use of psychotronic radiation, or why else would they protect against it? So that is a good reason why I had on the aluminum hat, to protect against it. I'll give you the short course on metallurgy. Basically, if you look here, this is what a closed plane looks like with regards to a metal. In a metal, all the atoms essentially act as a positively charged sphere, and there's a sea of electrons, and they line up in planes like this, and that's the closed plane. Then if you look at this area, what happens is as metals are freezing, the little spheres are traveling at about the speed of sound, and if you look right in here, you will see that some of the planes got misoriented. Those are called dislocations. Because of dislocations, metals are between 10 to the third and 10 to the fourth times weaker than you would expect them to be. And that is the short course on metallurgy for understanding the lab report. We will now look at the official lab report. The tensile strength was 2.25 times 10 to the 6 megapascals. The X-ray spectroscopy indicates it's dislocation free. It is designed to prevent psychotronic radiation, and the conclusion is advanced composite material from an advanced alien spaceship.